In this video, we will learn how to manage supplier profiles. Go to our dcwater.com page and select Work with Us. Scroll down and go to Procurement. Once on the Procurement page, scroll down and go to Useful Links. You will then find New Vendor Portal Login. You will put in your user ID number and password, and you will be brought to your supplier portal page. You can see that your initials should be in the corner. Scroll all the way down, hit Manage Profile, and this will bring you to your company profile. You will see a number of tabs: organizational details, tax identifiers, addresses, contacts, payments, business classifications, or products and services. If you need to make changes to any of these things, you can hit Edit. It will then say making edits will create a change request to your profile. Do you want to continue? Yes. You are now free to make changes to the areas that are highlighted. For example, supplier numbers will never be able to be updated. Your status, but perhaps your corporate profile has changed. Perhaps now you would like your chief executive to be the chief financial officer, and that is Susan Jones. Go in here and make Susan Jones. Change it to read Chief Financial. Her principal name is Susan Jones. Your financial profile. You can change your fiscal year end month, but you cannot include your current fiscal year's potential revenue in this section. I recommend hitting Save before moving on to any other tabs. For example, you can see that my company is at 4141 Old William Penn Highway in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. If you would like to edit this address, you would then hit the Edit button, where you can go into this page and make any changes necessary. Change your address, change your city, state, postal code, include new phone numbers and email addresses, and then hit OK. Contacts. Todd Smith may still be with you, but perhaps you want to add Mary Myers. You can hit Create. And you can fill in all the information for Mary Myers. Contact addresses. Filling out this top section here, hitting Create Another. We'll put in, let's do, oh, sorry. Create another. And then hit OK. As you can see, Mary Myers has been added as a contact. Now, I did not put an email. It's very important that her email be in here. Very similar to Todd Smith's. You can change products and services. For example, my company is currently doing food trucks and mobile catering, cafeteria and restaurant services. If I want to add, I will select and add, and then a whole list of things have been added. You can come down and say, now we're offering industrial supplies, or whatever the case may be. You hit search, and it'll tell you all of the equipment that you can choose from. Once you've completed making all of your changes, review those changes. As you can see, I removed Mary Myers as the Chief Executive Officer, and I've changed it to Susan Jones, the Chief Financial Officer. Any changes that you make will appear in this area for your review. And once you are satisfied, you will hit Submit. Your profile change requests were submitted for approval. Okay. And then hit Done. And it'll bring you back to your supplier portal. That is how you make changes to your profile.